Get ready to bring your imagination to life. Today, we're creating a colorful 3D unicorn. Your kit has everything you need to create your own one-of-a-kind piece. Inside, you'll find a foam unicorn, colorful petals, silver pipe cleaners, and a wooden poking tool. Find a clean, flat surface to work on and lay out all your materials. Now it's time to decorate. Use the wooden poking tool to gently push each petal into the foam. The unicorn's legs are smaller, so poke slowly and gently in those areas. Press until they feel snug, but leave enough showing so your unicorn looks fluffy and full. Create stripes, swirls, or colorful clusters. You can mix the colors any way you like. There's no wrong way to decorate. Poke the petals together for a fuller look and use one petal at a time. Petals can stick together, so check before poking to make sure you don't run out. Once your unicorn is covered in colorful petals, it's time to add the horn, ears, and tail to bring it to life. Take one silver pipe cleaner and your wooden poking tool. Place the pipe cleaner next to the poking tool and measure about 1.5 inches. Bend the pipe cleaner at that point. This folded part will be your unicorn's horn. Pinch the folded part and twist it around the long part of the pipe cleaner so the little folded piece stays closed. For easier wrapping and better control, use the pointed end of the wooden poking tool as you shape the horn. Hold the folded part against the poking tool. Wrap the long end of the pipe cleaner around both the folded part and the poking tool to make a horn shape. Trim any extra pipe cleaner at the tip of the horn if needed. Take a second pipe cleaner. Before you start wrapping it, leave a short piece sticking out at the bottom. This short end is the part that pokes into the unicorn's head. Wrap the rest of the pipe cleaner around the horn to make it thicker. Carefully slide the stylus out and continue shaping the pipe cleaners into a cone shape. Twist the short bottom piece into a point. Press the point into the top of the unicorn's head. Next, let's work on the unicorn's ears. Take one pipe cleaner and measure about 2 inches. Bend that part into a small leaf shape. This will be the outline of the ear. Twist the bottom of the leaf shape to close it and hold the ear together. Wrap the long end of the pipe cleaner around the ear once, then twist it again at the bottom to secure it. Use the long end again to fold and wrap across the middle of the ear, filling in the center. Twist at the bottom so the ear stays secure. Leave the long end sticking out. This is the part you'll poke into the unicorn. Gently pinch the top to shape it into a pointy unicorn ear. Press the long, pointy end into the unicorn's head where the ear should go. Repeat the steps to make the second ear. Next, let's make the unicorn's tail. Take 2 to 3 pipe cleaners and cut them into slightly different lengths so the tail looks layered. Bend each piece into a soft tail shape with curled ends. Line up the ends that will attach to the unicorn. Hold them together in a bundle. If you still have extra pipe cleaners, you can add more pieces to make the tail look even fuller. Wrap another pipe cleaner around the bundle to keep it securely in place. Leave the short ends twisted together into one pointy piece so you can easily push the tail into the foam. Once it's attached, spread and shape the pieces so the tail looks full and flowing. Shape and adjust until your unicorn looks just right. Your 3D unicorn is complete and ready to show off. Want even more fun? Scan the QR code to join our VIP list. Get free printables, discounts, and creative surprises from your friends at Purple Ladybug, bringing you creativity through crafting.